Sorry for the glare, but we're out here in the sun. So we have it in heat mode, and as you can see, the compressors are a little over, being ran over 100% for their duty cycle there, or they're on their VFDs. We're cranking the hell out of this just to stress test it, as you could say. We also have almost 50,000 watts of heating going on inside that room, adding extra heat to the room. We're really trying to get it up fast. Smooth as hell. Super smooth, super quiet. The compressors are both, 2 compressors in there being overran. Vibration free. And as you see, I don't have the insulation on here. Pipe's nice and hot, because before I finish the insulation and taping it all up, I run the unit for a few days, cycling it on and off, going between hot and cold, get my leak detector out, and go over all my joints in my whole entire system before I cover it up. Even though you may pass a leak test and everything like that before you finish the job, cycle it through hot and cold, hot, cold, make this cold, make this hot, make this cold, make this cold, make this hot. Keep going back and forth and testing your system. Leak check it one more time before you close it up, then give your good bill of health. And you did your good due diligence, and you did everything you could possibly do to make sure you have a lifetime brazing system that won't leak. After that, there's nothing you can do anymore. We get our oil temperature. We can see our compressors are winding down now. We're about at 86 because it's satisfying. It's getting close to the 86 degrees that was in there. Grafting. Where's our time graph? Don't have that on. Oh, there we go. See, when we started them up, it ramped up, coming down. Oh. I hear them slowing down some more. We'll see. We got a lot more tests to do on this thing. Working great. See you guys.